Let's get your equipment assets loaded. Managing your tools and equipment inside GoSite Ready makes every tool and machine trackable, ready to assign to jobs and in the right compliance state. No scrambling for details on site and last minute. We've got a couple of mandatory fields, but we're going to go ahead and hit the download template button to get started. With the Excel spreadsheet open, go ahead and delete our demo data and start populating the spreadsheet with your company equipment data. There are a couple of mandatory fields, one being the identifier. This must be unique to your company and the equipment. Once you've finished populating the spreadsheet, head on back to the GoSite Ready onboarding page. Righto, back in our equipment onboarding page, we're going to hit the next button. The system is running its validation. If there's any issues found, they'll be listed below with the corresponding Excel line. Go back and fix up. We're going to hit next. In the review screen, have a quick look over your data. Don't worry too much if there's a duplicate, the system will work that out for you. So go ahead and hit next if it all looks good. Everything's looking good, so hit the Start Import button. And it's finished. Your import is successful. The data that you just had imported can be found in the Our Equipment page.